enough po. Trust and believe me when I tell you that is a very, very small part of their SASA. The musicians, the drummers that are going to drum wasn't able to make it tonight, so I'm so sorry that I had to substitute. But they did a very small portion, and we thank you once again for your love and support. And I need you guys to give the kids a little bit more love than that by making a whole lot of noise. How about a hand for Tupulaga? I believe Cinta has already introduced ABiGail.
Woo! Go Abby! Woo!
And she will be doing our official TAUALUGA for tonight. And ABiGail and her entire family. She's a senior. And by the way, doesn't she look beautiful? Give her a hand. ABiGail and her family has opened her SiVAAA tonight, her TAUALUGA as the president of the club with $200.